Yeah, I'll tell you honestly, जब हम लोग गाना शूट कर रहे थे, I was only staring at her, but she was looking so stunning, so I didn't see anybody else.
Yeah, that explains why you were not looking at me in the song.
शिल्पा, सुनने में आया था कि बजट आपका
वहाँ पे विपाशा नहीं थे।
झूठ बोल रहे हैं, सरासर झूठ है ये।
There were a lot of friends who came.
Yeah, lots of people.
Lots of people once said.
विपाशा was
शिल्पा, सुनने में आया था कि आपकी फिल्म का बजट जो है वो बिपाशा की वजह से भी बढ़ गया है, क्योंकि जब वो आती थी सेट पे तो काफी टाइम हरमन उनके साथ बिताते थे।
मैं शॉट रेडी होने से पहले कैमरे के सामने खड़ा हो जाता, लाइटिंग के लिए मार्क पे खड़ा होता हूँ मैं। कोई मैं चिल नहीं करता हूँ सेट पे। अच्छा, वो डेडिकेटेड हार्ड वर्किंग बोल रहे हैं, आप बोल रहे हो मैं बजट बढ़ा दिया।
शिल्पा, मेरा सवाल आपसे था।
It's not hilarious.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं हुआ।
मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो आके क्या उन्होंने मतलब
एक बार आए हो।
I have to give some trivia. You remember?
Please don't.
please.
I don't trust your
I
trivia.
take my words back.
Yeah.
शिल्पा
Mind blowing सवाल है।
आपको लगता है?
Mind
बस,
blowing है।
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
सुपर से ऊपर था ये।
हाँ जी। ये लोग कंटिन्यू रहेगा मतलब? नहीं मतलब हर फिल्म में तो मुस्टैच
अच्छा
थोड़ा।
लगा ना ये लोग, बस यही रहेगा।
शिल्पा
ठीक है, वो अच्छी रख लेता हूँ।
शिल्पा एंड हरमन वन क्वेश्चन, जैसे कि टैगलाइन देख रहे हैं हम, आदमी बड़ा हो या छोटा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस उसकी कहानी बड़ी होना चाहिए। ऐसी एक कहानी निकल कर आई है रातों रात, जो एक दीपिका त्यागी की, जो कास्टिंग काउच का शिकार हुई थी। इसमें एक जो है डिफरेंट एंगल ऐसा, पूरा सुन लीजिए पहले, एक जो है डिफरेंट एंगल वो ऐसा है कि जहाँ पर कास्टिंग काउच करने वाले ने सामने से उसे एक्सेप्ट किया है, और उसका भी वीडियो जो है वो यूट्यूब पर कन्फेशन का वो भी वीडियो आ चुका है। तो इसके ऊपर से आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
मेरा ये रिएक्शन है कि इसका इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से क्या लेना देना।
इसका ये है क्योंकि आप भी खुद बॉलीवुड में हैं, बॉलीवुड की टॉप एक्ट्रेस।
नहीं तो ये कास्टिंग काउच नहीं करती एज अ प्रोड्यूसर।
मैं नहीं करती casting।
ये कास्टिंग काउच नहीं करती एज अ प्रोड्यूसर।
डू यू बिलीव, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, डू यू बिलीव कि आज भी कास्टिंग काउच एग्जिस्ट करता है बॉलीवुड में?
I really don't know. I mean, but अगर लोग कहते हैं तो obviously होता होगा। But वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि how you want to face it and how you are going to get out of a sticky situation. तो मेरी बस यही सलाह है, if you're ever faced with a situation like that, just face it bravely and yeah, kick the guy in a place where it hurts most.
हरमन आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
I think it's very sad. I think it's very
आपको लगता है
sad.
कि बॉलीवुड में अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करता है?
आप अगर मुझे बता रही हैं कि कल रात को ऐसा कुछ ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ है तो फिर हो ही रहा होगा, तो I cannot deny it. But I'm saying whatever it is, it's very sad. Actually, it's sad of the person who does it, and it's actually very sad if you understand it from the woman's point of view. There must be a responsibility. There must be a sense of desperation, जिसकी वजह से she probably goes ahead and does what she does. So it's actually a very sad situation if you ask me. It would best if it never happened, but I'm presuming it is happening.
आयशा, आपसे सवाल है। आयशा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। आपकी
पहली फिल्म है, चालू हो गया एकदम से, सॉरी। आपकी पहली फिल्म है, हरमन है, सनी है, शिल्पा शेट्टी जैसे प्रोड्यूसर है, तो कितना पैम्पर मिला आपको सेट के ऊपर और कितना हार्डवर्क करना पड़ा आपको इस किरदार के लिए?
मेरी पहली फिल्म है, आई वाज पैम्पर्ड, मुझे शिल्पा ने स्पेशली बहुत पैम्पर किया एंड सब लोग मेरे साथ बहुत पेशेंट थे, मोस्टली ऑन माय सीन था विद हरमन, सो ही वाज ऑलवेज very patient, very, he made sure I was at peace with what I was doing, at ease with what I was doing. And my director, Sanam, I in fact trained with him because when I became a part of the film, there wasn't much time left, shoot shuru hone mein. So I didn't really do any formal acting training or anything. There was no time for that. So I did all my rehearsing with him, and yeah, everyone looked after me. Considering I've never done this before, I'm a stylist.
Do you know how I met Aisha? Aisha actually आई थी ऑफिस में स्टाइलिंग के लिए, इश्किया में स्टाइलिंग के लिए. She was I think the 98th or 99th 99 girl to audition क्योंकि हमें नई लड़की चाहिए थी without any image again. तो आई वो and सना said ये बड़ी अच्छी है यार. तो मैंने कहा इतने कर ही लिए तूने अभी स्क्रीन टेस्ट तो इसका भी ले लो अभी स्क्रीन टेस्ट एंड शी वाज फैब इन द स्क्रीन टेस्ट. पहले तो मुझे मनाना पड़ा इनकी मम्मी डैडी को. मम्मी उधर है खड़ी और फिर I've never been so scared. I had to speak to Mr. Khanna, who is in Delhi, who is her father, who I had to convince कि please इसे heroine बनने दीजिए. So I had to convince him to make Aisha a heroine. That is the story behind Aisha. So I hope he's proud of you at the end of it all. Auntie, I hope you're proud.
Very proud.
Thank God.
Harman, one last question for you. Harman, here. Harman, it could be really great if you could tell us one special quality of Bipasha that you love the most.
इसका इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से क्या लेना देना?
हरमन
Any more questions of Bipasha? Don't disturb me.
हरमन
Yes, ma'am.
अब तो विपाशा ने भी ऑफिशियल कर दिया तो बोलने कितना टालेंगे आप?
मैं कहाँ डाल रहा हूँ? मैं जो बोल दिया जो बोल रहा था.
बिल्कुल नहीं, आपने कुछ बोला
आपने
नहीं।
डिश क्यों बोला बस?
आपने कुछ नहीं बोला।
I think I said what I had to say. She said what she has to say. बार-बार बोल के ना बोल रहा.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में कुछ नहीं बोला।
लेकिन मैं बोला तो था वो आया तो था.
आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
Let's just put it this way. I think today she said that what the tweet she tweeted, right?
Yes.
So do you know what the tweet was?
Yes.
Can you please tell me? I was too busy with this, yeah.
You can't be
Stating
I
the
swear,
obvious
I'm not
that
lying.
I am
He's not on Twitter. I have to
So I
take
have
up
no
my
clue.
hero.
I know she tweeted something. I don't know what she.
It's okay, whatever she tweeted, but
No, I'd like to know what she tweeted. Yeah, okay, so whatever.
Okay, she tweeted that stating the obvious, I and Harman are couple. I have finally met the person who is far better than me. Feels blessed.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
You just pan the camera to her. She said it for me. Well, then I'd like to say she's just being very generous. Obviously the two of us are dating each other, seeing each other, and yeah, I think she's being modest when she says I'm a better person. I mean, we all know she's an amazing person. So yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, can't say more.
Too much for me to handle.
Okay, Shilpa, my question to you is, you are one of the successful lady in Bollywood and today you are a producer. So how do you see women in today's scenario? As like anything you want to message the women, like it's women empowerment?
Women's Day thing. What do I say? My feelings or the way I look at women hasn't really changed. I am a woman, I'm very proud to be one. And I really think and believe that we live in an egalitarian world and we need to be treated with respect and we command it. We don't just demand it. And yeah, for all the women out there, just feel proud that you are one. You give birth to the human race. And there cannot be a bigger compliment than that you are blessed and you're given the responsibility of taking the world on and making such amazing people. So yeah, so I feel very, very proud to be a woman.
Harman, what would you like to say on
About women?
Yes.
How much time do you have? Because I can go on. No, listen, I've always been saying this ever since I was a child. For me, the most special people in my life have always been women. Be it my mother, be it my sister. Coincidentally, now I'm Shilpa, whom I'm extremely close to. There are a lot of other girls who are my friends. Aisha, yes, of course. So I think women as there's obviously a lot of conversations going on about women's life and everything, and I personally feel that it's not required anymore because they've sort of proved their point in every field whatsoever, and somewhere they are the stronger species between the two. Barring just the physicality, where I think men are just genetically stronger. In every other way, I think a woman is stronger. She deals with a lot all through her life, and she gives life. So that's more.
Shilpa, talking about the promotion of the film, you're leaving no stone unturned. I can see some bullet you're wearing on. Yeah, so what's that?
Dish. Bullet. Kya. Yeah, it's a bullet. Really weird you noticed it. Yeah. Yeah. It's just.
आपकी नजर बहुत डेंजरस है. आप कहाँ देख रही थी? हाँ?
पेंटिंग मुझे बहुत
First you ask about women's liberation, then you start staring at her like that.
I'm a girl, I like that pendant, so you know I was like, okay, I can buy this.
Yeah, सब लोग हार्ट लव बहुत बोरिंग हो जाता है ना. नहीं मैं बहुत पहले से पहन रही हूँ जब से मैंने पिक्चर शुरू की. ये एक्चुअली रेडीमेड मिला मुझे. या थैंक यू. ये फेंक के मारूंगी.
शिल्पा हमने
ये अंदर बॉम्ब है.
शिल्पा हमने
Shilpa, I think you worked really hard for the song that we saw today. Like you were completely in shape. Like how did you really go about it?
No.
Lot of hard work. Like I said, a dance with Harman, it's too much pressure. And I was
See, that was a lie. That's why God
I
will
was forced into doing this song. I have been emotionally blackmailed by the director and my